Hello class, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to English 4. My name is Luciano Scadolin, and today we have a very important topic. This session is about life priorities. I have a question for you. The question is, what is really important in our lives? Here we have some pictures, but we have to talk about them. What are the most important things in our lives? The objective of this lesson is to discuss about your priorities. In this first picture, we have some people, and they have different occupations. Yes, this priority is about careers. What can you see in the second picture? Yes, two hands, some coins, and a plant. What do you think is the priority here? Very good. It's about financial security. Now, what can you see in the third picture? She's a woman. She's running. Yes, she's exercising. So what is the life priority? Fitness. Very good. And what is the fourth picture? We see a doctor, maybe? And a heart? Yes. Do you think that it's important to go to the doctor? Yes, that's about medical care or health. You have to take care of your health. It's very important. So, what have we learned in our previous lesson? We talked about careers, we talked about financial security, about education, about culture, about love, and about health, among others. So, we have to use that vocabulary to discuss about what we really focus on and all things that are important for us. Now, I want you to take out a piece of paper and make a list of your life priorities. You will have some seconds. Try to order from a list or a pyramid. What's your top priority? What's the second priority? What's the third priority? The fourth and the fifth. Do you have them? Okay, very good. Now let's move on, and here we have other words. We have, what do you need to do to be happy? And we have a circle with some of these words. Career, finance, personal growth. It means how to be a better person in general. Health, family, relationships. It means having good friends or getting a person to love, or maybe trying to be a good person. Social life and your attitude. Social life refers to, maybe going to parties or having fun in general. And attitude, it's how you behave as a person and how you react to situations. What do you know about these topics? Can you order your priorities from 1 to 10 in this circle? Try to make it fast. For example, career. What number do you have? 1, 2, 5, 10. Finance. 2, 8. Order them imaginary, and you will have a circle, and you will know what are the most important things for you. Now I have a question for you. How is this topic useful in our daily lives? Is it important to talk about our priorities? Of course it is, because in real life you will talk about this topic with different people, your friends, your colleagues, your teachers, your professors, and your family also. And you have to know about that, and you have to be a conscious person about it. Okay? Very good. Now, the next question is, what do you have to do in your life? Don't forget that there are 3 goals to keep your life in balance. That's what we need, balance. The first one is the what goals. We have business, career, and financial goals. These are what you want to accomplish in lives. Okay, important things that we want to accomplish. The second one is the why goals. It's talking about personal, family, and health goals. These are the why you want to accomplish your business or career goal, your motivations. And then we have number 3, the how goals. It's referred to personal and professional growth. These are how you achieve the what and enjoy the why. That is very important. We have to continue working on these goals at the same time to be happy and effective in life. Your goals must be in balance and cover the 3 most important areas in our lives: the what goals, the why goals, and the how goals. They must be in harmony with each other. Finally, I have a very important phrase for you. It's anonymous, and the phrase is, every day is a gift, and the quality of your life is your gift to yourself. Don't forget. Think about that phrase. Have a nice one, and see you later. Don't forget, my name is Luciano. Bye.